Kev G weather overview. We got some pretty significant heat coming. I think that some areas will see a bona fide heat wave, which is 3 days in a row of 90 plus. Now, Central Park has not been able to do that just yet. We strung together two 90-degree days in a row, but not three. The last time we did that was July 5th and July 6th. And on July 6th, the park registered a temperature of 96 degrees. So the question is, can we string together 3 days in a row of 90 plus? And I think we will, Saturday through Monday, and perhaps even Tuesday in the urban areas of the five boroughs and Newark. And the other question is, do we break that 96? Do we break the 96 in the park, which is our high for the year? And I think Sunday or Monday, we have a shot, barring some cloud cover on Monday. But I think we've got a real shot at some pretty high levels of heat and humidity for the weekend. And this is going to be formidable when you're dealing with it for more than 2 days in a row. That's why we have the heat wave criteria. Now, this is NOAA for Friday, a delightful day on Friday. This is our transition day, so to speak. And we may see an afternoon or evening thunderstorm, but I think that the odds are that next Wednesday is our best chance at rain over the next 7 days. And then look out Saturday. Here we go. The heat wave starts with areas of 90 to 95 area wide. You got to go to that South Shore, get the beach action going on if you want to get away from this. Sunday gets even hotter with 95 to perhaps 100 degrees, especially for the urban corridor. 90s a good bet elsewhere. Upper 80s at the shore. And then Monday, more of the same. Hot, humid, highs 90 to 95, especially in the urban corridor. Upper 80s elsewhere. And Tuesday, we're still flirting with 90, especially in the urban center. So that is the main story over the next 5 to 7 days. It is going to be the hottest weather coinciding with the hottest climatological peak of summer. So this happened actually last year, and then we saw the heat break, and it really didn't come back for good. I'm a little bit concerned in the long range, though, that we do get back pretty quickly into some heat with a brief respite around Wednesday of next week. But this is next Monday. The areas in pink represent 90 to 95. We get into Tuesday. Once again, we have a shot at 90 to 95. And then Wednesday, the model wants to cool it down for next Wednesday because it thinks that a disturbance is moving through with showers and thunderstorms. That would cool us off. But then lo and behold, back into the 90s we go on Thursday. So this is the long-range forecast problem right here. Do we get back into a steady stream of heat and humidity once we get past a brief break next Wednesday? Now, when we look at the day-to-day precipitation, not much going on. We have a shot at a renegade thunderstorm on Friday, but the main action, I think, happens around the 22nd in the afternoon with these showers and thunderstorms rolling through. And that might be our best bet at not only rain, but also cooling us off, as the pattern looks like it wants to reload, as opposed to last year when we were able to cut the heat and then kind of go into a more relaxed summer weather pattern. Now, the Weather Prediction Center, they're not too optimistic on a lot of precipitation around here for the next 7 days. Areas along the coasts should average less than an inch of rain, which is a problem because we were trying to make our way out of this drought. And although we did get some rain from Tropical Storm Faye, some areas just didn't pick up what they thought they would, especially out on the east end of Long Island. So that's something to watch. We'll check out the drought monitor the next time I join you on the video broadcast. But for right now, the main story, beginning Saturday, is a fairly substantial heat wave, the hottest weather of the summer on the way for mid-July.